Hi everyone, and welcome back to Health and Technology TV. Today we're answering a question that some couples ask but few feel comfortable discussing. Is it safe to breastfeed your partner during pregnancy? We're here to approach this with medical accuracy and total respect. The short answer is yes. If the pregnant mother is comfortable and there are no medical complications, it is safe. There's no harm to the baby or the pregnancy if a partner nurses occasionally. However, this needs to be rooted in mutual respect and open communication. Every woman's body changes during pregnancy, and tenderness, milk production, or discomfort may vary. We'll talk about what happens hormonally to breasts during pregnancy, why some couples explore this, what doctors say about safety and boundaries, and how to prioritize emotional comfort and consent in this part of the relationship. This video is for educational purposes only, and we encourage couples to always talk to their doctor about personal concerns. Comment your questions below, subscribe for more health education, and share this video if you believe in open, respectful conversations around the body and relationships. See you in the next one.